Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to accept payment on WhatsApp. Let's get started. WhatsApp Business app can be used to sell your products. Your customers will need a way to purchase your products and send their payments. WhatsApp Payment is available for Apple and Android devices, but the payment feature is currently available to selected users. It was first live in India since their country has over 400 million monthly active users. The payment feature was built on the Unified Payments Interface of India. To send money on WhatsApp, it is necessary to have a bank account and debit card that you will link to your WhatsApp number. WhatsApp will send instructions to the bank selected so that the transaction via UPI between the sender and the receiver's accounts would be successful. Also, people can send money through WhatsApp to anyone who uses an app that supports UPI. To use WhatsApp payment feature, the user must initiate payment to your WhatsApp business number. The WhatsApp user who can use the payment feature will be able to see the payment section as they tap on the file icon. The transfer of money will be as easy as a push of a button. The user won't have to input their bank details anymore once they have successfully linked their bank account having the same mobile number with their registered WhatsApp number. Once the request to send payment is received, the customer can set up their UPI account on WhatsApp. They can choose the Pay tab to enter the amount to send to another user, while they can choose the Request tab to enter the amount to ask payment from your customer. The user sending the payment must input their UPI PIN first to have a secure and a successful transaction. To set up your WhatsApp Business payment for the first time, you must first link your bank to your WhatsApp Business account. To set up your bank, go to the Settings menu. Then look for the payment setting. Tap on it, then click Accept and Continue. Next, you need to verify your number via SMS. When you have successfully confirmed your number, you'll be able to see all the UPI-supported banks. Select the bank, then the app will begin to get the details and sync them to your WhatsApp account. So if your WhatsApp number is also the number registered to your bank account, you can successfully set up your WhatsApp payments. It will take some time to verify the bank account to see if it will match the mobile number registered with your WhatsApp account based on the UPI. Another country where WhatsApp payment was launched is Brazil, which is the second largest market. The country will use Facebook Pay for sending payments to other users. The payment service is currently free for consumers to use, although businesses must pay a 3.99% processing fee in order to receive payments. Every transaction is secured as the users will need to input a 6-digit PIN, a facial recognition, or use the fingerprint saved on their mobile devices to complete the transaction. You can link your WhatsApp account to your Visa, MasterCard credit, or debit card. Brazil's payments processor to complete payment transactions is Shallow. You can add payment methods like connecting to a PayPal account or adding a new credit card. Once set up, people can send payments using the payment feature on WhatsApp. It's possible to keep track of transactions, and the users can be protected from fraud using personalized PIN and biometrics such as facial recognition or fingerprint. Shopping on WhatsApp can be easier since you can pay for your purchases effortlessly. It makes your payment secure without the hassle of writing the bank account details. You can also track your transactions using the payment history so that you can review your purchases. Sending and receiving money from friends and family will require no fees, and it also varies by country. It even maintains the user's security by fraud detection, personalized PIN, and biometrics that are linked on your device, which can help protect the user from unauthorized transactions. Now that you know about how to accept payment on WhatsApp, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to set up your shop on WhatsApp. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.